Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are to consider how to solve this equation here on the board. We have here if x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 25 equals 2, then what is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board? I put down here solution. I come down here with the question of x squared minus 25 divided by x plus 5 equals 2. Henceforth, we are going to simplify this expression in the numerator. First, this can also be expressed as the difference of two squares. Then we have here x squared minus 25 equals x squared minus 5 to the power of 2. Then record that whenever you have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2, that is equivalent to a plus b into a minus b. And that shows this can also be expressed in this form. Then if you realize, you're going to have that x to the power of 2 minus 5 to the power of 2 equals x plus 5 then into x minus 5. This is the expression in the numerator. Then as such, we are going to represent this with this. Then as such, the whole equation becomes x plus 5 into x minus 5 divided by x plus 5 equals 2. Then now you can see that x plus 5 will eliminate x plus 5. Therefore, the equation becomes x minus 5 equals 2. This is very interesting. Now, you are going to collect like terms, or we simply add 5 to both sides of the equation. And if you do, you are going to have here x minus 5 plus 5 equals 2 plus 5. Then here we have x minus 5 plus 5 is 0. Then as such, the whole of this is gone. Then we have that x equals 2 plus 5. That will give us 7. And this is the value of x that will satisfy this given equation here on the board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.